introduce myself to you, sir. My name is Aradhana. I am studying second standard. My school name is Shanti School. I am 7.5 years old. I am from India.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Purvi. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I am 9 years old. I study in 5th class. My school name is Devi Public School. Nice to meet you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kushandran. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I am 7 years old. I study in 3rd standard. My school name is DAV Police Public School. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ayan. I am from Sonipat, Haryana. I am 8 years old. I study in 4th class. My school name is Gateway International School.
Very good. Good introduction, dear students. So let's begin this topic. First of all, Kushan will tell word power. Let me ask the question. Yeah, what is word power and why word power is very important in language? How can we learn the words when we talk about learning words in English language? Go on, Kushan.
If we don't know words, so we can't develop in English language. Like an example, I want to say that I will go to school tomorrow. I'm saying I go school tomorrow. Grammar is 100% wrong. 100% wrong. But I know the words. People can understand. I can communicate. If we don't know words, I will say no, like that. If we read books, like our school books, our house books, so we find new words, so we know the meaning and we use glad vocabulary. Glad. I'm glad to speak with you. I'm happy to talk with you. I know the word that's I can develop. Grammar 100% correct. 100% sentence correct. Grammar, vocabulary, and all things are correct. 100% correct English.
So why word power is very important in English language?
Word power is actual strength in any language. We can want to learn any language. We can know the word that we want to learn. Say anything, we can able to say clearly. We can know the word meaning and word. We cannot know the word. We cannot able to speak anything word. Like I know the meaning. I don't know the meaning of fight. I say, can I speak sir Hindi?
Yeah.
मैं लड़ाई करूंगी मैंने लड़ाई की अपने भाई के साथ और मेरे को फाइट का मीन आई डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ फाइट इन इंग्लिश इन हिंदी इफ वी वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश वी कैन नो द मीनिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश वर्ड इन हिंदी like I want to learn any language I know the words I don't know the words I don't speak any word.
For any language, especially English language, we must know the word power. Word power means how many words do we know in that language. That is the power of our words to speak to someone. Alright, very good. Whatever you spoke, that's fine. I appreciate you. Next is Ayansh. Question remains for you, Sam. Why word power is very important? What do you mean by word power in language? How can we develop improving word power?
Sir, word power is the main part of English. We can't speak English without word power. If we don't know grammar, it's fine. We can make the people understand. But if we don't know words, we can't do anything. It means that if we don't know English, so in English words, so we can't say anything. Like I don't know. Uh, uh, I know in Hindi that it is called app. App. I mean safe. So in English it is apple. But I don't know what is apple. I'll say that that red one fruit. I'll say, but no one will answer. But no one will be able to understand me. It's in the first part of speaking English is word power because
Very good.
uh, if we have to learn, if we will learn first grammar, so if teacher will say us that so कि that Delhi is a noun. I don't know what is, so I can't understand that what is. The first step of learning English is word power. We can't do anything without learning word power. Is we can purchase the dictionary and read it every day and learn the meanings. And we have to write those meanings. In our own, we have to make our own dictionary and write the meanings in that without looking in that dictionary.
Power is very important. How can we develop word powers more in English language?
We should learn more meaning. So many we can speak. If we don't know any meaning, we don't able to speak. For example, I go to market. I no. I will no. I will no. I go to market like that. We can speak. Read vocabulary. We can learn so many meanings. Learn so many meanings from dictionary. My ma'am told dictation and I wrote. I have dictionary and I will look it and learn its meanings and I will write it in my English literature notes. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so dear viewers, this was the small conversation with students joining from different states in this online class. The topic we discussed, the importance of word power, why word power is very important, how can be developed. All of them, they have given their views, opinions related to this topic. So word power is actually our actual strength in speaking any language and understanding how it can be developed. By reading, by listening, we can develop a lot of words, and then by reading, even by writing also, we can keep on developing the more words, because if we know the words, then we will be able to communicate with people and to understand, as well as to read and write and to explore our knowledge in that particular language. So watching videos related to language, consider subscribing and hit the notifications bell to be the first one to know when we upload a new video like this. Till that, keep watching, keep supporting our channel.